Oh my God, massive sheeps. Oh my God, massive sheeps. I think a couple of those are drums. I think we found some drums, y'all. Big old sheep just ate. Yes, 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 yes. Redemption. 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 Oh, he's bigger than the last one. He's bigger than the last one. Get in here. Oh my God. What type of day am I having today? Guys, look at this sheep's head. Are y'all kidding me? Guys, this might be the biggest sheep head I ever caught in my life. It has to be. And I've caught some tank sheep, but this one is just different. Look at him. Oh my. PB sheep, 20 inches. Yes, sir. Huge. Huge.